the trees, feel the cool and gentle breeze. Chugga chugga choo choo, all aboard, we're off with you. Ring the bell, the whistle blows, round and around the railway goes. Engine strong, wheels go round, clickety clack, what a sound. Crossing rivers, tunnels too, look outside, what a view. Chugga chugga choo choo, all aboard, we're off with you. Ring the bell, the whistle blows, round and around the railway goes. Past the farms and golden wheat, see the cows and hear them moo, waving hands and happy smiles as we travel mile by mile. Through the city honk and beep, cars and buses rush so steep. Shiny towers touch the sky, wave to people walking by. Chugga chugga choo choo, all aboard, we're off with you. Ring the bell, the whistle blows, round and round the railway goes. Nighttime falls, the stars shine bright, our train glows in moonlight. Sleepy towns and fields of hay, dreamy rides, we're on our way. Sun is rising, morning's near, wake up, train is here. Chugging fast, we speed along, sing with us this happy song. Chugga chugga choo choo, all aboard, we're off with you. Ring the bell, the whistle blows, round and around the railway goes. Slow it down, we've reached the end, but we'll ride this train again. Wave goodbye, don't be blue, the choo-choo train will come back soon.
Choo choo, hear the whistle blow, it's time to board, now off we go. Rolling fast on silver tracks with puffy smoke behind our backs. Clickety clack, the wheels spin round, a cheerful chugging steady sound. Past the houses, past the trees, riding high on the evening breeze. Through the hills so big